Hi. My amazing co-facilitator, Ellen, and I have a really fun workshop to tell you about, and we're going to do it in interview style. So, first, we'll start off with some introductions. For folks who don't know me, my name is Edie Passisel, and I am a certified professional coach and an astrology enthusiast. And I'll hand it over to my co-facilitator.
Hi, I'm Ellen Weber. I'm an intuitive guide and I work with astrology and the Akashic Records and somatic awareness. And we want to invite you to our workshop that's coming up really soon. It's called Sagittarius and You. And basically, it's all about exploring Sagittarius as an archetype and all that, the energy and how it manifests in your life. And yeah. So, Edie, if someone's going to register, what can they expect to receive?
Sure. So I'm going to be creating a PDF with people's charts and all their chart interpretations. It's a very long PDF. It could be 10 plus pages. So not to overwhelm my participants or our participants, I'm going to pull out the information that's very most crucial for this workshop. So in an email with that PDF attached, you'll know exactly where Sagittarius sits in your chart, and you'll know exactly if you have any planets that are in there.
Cool.
Mhm. Ellen, I'm curious, for folks who have no idea even what Sagittarius energy is, I mean, how would you explain it to someone?
Yeah, so we're in Sagittarius season right now, so you're probably experiencing some kind of Sagittarius energy right now. And basically Sagittarius in a nutshell, very generalized, is about adventure and growth, expansion, seeing the big picture, seeing what's possible, seeking truth, and just like really about fun. For me, like I always experience like fun and adventure is like some of the keywords.
Yeah. And when I think about Sagittarius energy, I think about the archer like pulling back its bow and arrow and shooting for its target. And I'm wondering for participants who have goals that they have set for the end of this year or for 2025, would this be a workshop suited for them?
Yeah, I mean, we're definitely going to be exploring Sagittarius energy. So that could come in as goals for sure.
Mm.
Um, but also, we're going to be doing some journal prompts. So some of that might come up depending on what that looks like. You know, each participant's going to have their own version of what Sagittarius energy is for them. So I feel like that's part of why this workshop is cool because it's about each participant's experience, not like out there information. It's like what you and I are creating is an experience of the energy through guided visualizations, group sharing, somatic practices, all those things, like to see it really holistically, like from a lot of different perspectives, so that it comes in how it comes in. Like everyone's gonna have their own experience. So goals might be part of it, for sure.
Yeah. And I know when you led me through a visualization with Sag energy, I mean, I literally felt my body expanding in the heavens, and that felt really wonderful. So for folks who haven't done any kind of visualization, you are in good hands with my wonderful co-facilitator. Ellen, how can they register for this event?
So there's two dates to register for. So we have one coming up December 5th. That's this Thursday. And it's going to be at noon Pacific time. And we're doing the workshop for an hour, but you and I will stay after if people have questions.
Mm.
And then the next one will be Friday, December 13th at noon Pacific Standard Time. So registration will be in the links, and yeah, what if anybody has questions, what they should they do?
Feel free to drop them in the comments below, DM us. Yeah, we are going to stay connected to our social media and answer whatever is coming up for folks.
Did I ask you about anything? Oh no, you already said. Yeah, okay. Your PDF. Okay. Yeah, so yeah, if that feels, so that's just like a general idea. If this feels interesting to you, I definitely encourage you to register because why not? It's Sagittarius season. It's like, go on an adventure with us. Let's just see what happens. Like, it'll be fun.
That's just embody the Sag energy. It is fiery. It is bold. This is going to be fun.
So we hope to see you in the workshop, and I guess that's it.
See y'all there.
Bye.
Bye.